In this lecture, we'll study about another property of generating function. So let c is equal to a into b, where a and b are the two numeric functions. Then c is the product of two numeric functions a and b. Then the generic function cz is equal to the product of generic function az and bz. That is, we can write it down like cz is equal to product of az and bz. Okay. Come to an example. Let numeric function c is equal to product of numeric function a and b, and the numeric functions a and b are given as follows. So find the generic function cz. Okay, so here first of all we'll find out the generic function corresponding to the numeric function a and b. Okay, so ar is equal to 3 to the power r. So ar can be written down in the form of list 3 to the power 0, 3 to the power 1, 2, and so on, 3 to the power r, and so on. Okay, now az can be written as 1 plus 3z plus 3z square plus 3z to the power r, and so on. So this az can be written as 1 divided by 1 minus 3z. So this is the formula, got it. 1 plus x square and so on. Similarly, we can have bz is equal to 1 divided by 1 minus 2z. Okay, now according to this property you can write it down. Cz is equal to az into bz, that is 1 minus 3z, okay, into 1 divided by 1 minus 2z. Okay, so now let us solve this by using by part. So we can write it down here. Cz is equal to 1 divided by 1 minus 3z 1 minus 2z. That is equation 1. Okay, now we can write cz as a divided by 1 minus 3z plus b divided by 1 minus 2z. Let's suppose this is equation 2. Okay, now let us solve this one. We'll get 1 minus 3z 1 minus 2z, we get a into 1 minus 2z plus b into 1 minus 3z. This is equal to a plus b plus minus 2a minus 3b into z divided by 1 minus 3z into 1 minus 2z. Okay, now compare equation 1 and 3. We get a plus b is a constant. Here we have a constant 1 is equal to 1 minus 2a minus 3b is equal to 0, because there is no coefficient of z here in this equation 1. Now let us solve this equation. This will cancel out. 2b minus 3b is equal to minus b, and it is 2 minus 0 is equal to 2. So b is nothing but minus 2. Put the value of minus 2 here. We get a is equal to 3. Okay, now put the value of a and b in equation 2. Okay, so put a and b in 2. So we get Cz is equal to 3 divided by 1 minus 3z. B is minus 2, so it can be minus 2 divided by 1 minus 2z. And now we can write it down in the form of numeric function. So Cr is equal to 3 into this 3 to the power r minus 2 into 2 to the power r. So Cr is equal to 3 into r plus 1 minus, sorry, Cr is equal to 3 to the power r plus 1 and minus 2 to the power r plus 1. Okay, so this is the answer we got, and this answer is equivalent to this. So Cr is equal to 3 to the power r plus 1 minus 2 to the power r plus 1. Okay,